Horses out, Titanic. Pass to begin, running by the rallies. Gardong Kaliwa, moving up Inherent. Red Soldier, Rita Ravensky comes next. Take Me Tonight, Nichols Choice. Stareliza and Wilson trails the field by about 14 to 15 lengths up the pace. Gardong Kaliwa goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Inherent in second, Rita Ravensky in third. Red Soldier running by Drell Titanic. Take Me Tonight, then comes Stareliza. Then next on land, Nichols Choice and Wilson still racing in less. Gardong Kaliwa, he's 4 lengths in front of Inherent. Rita Ravensky, 1A, now coming closer on the outside. Then comes Titanic, Red Soldier, Take Me Tonight. Stareliza, Wilson, second last, and Nichols Choice. And still Gardong Kaliwa by about 3 lengths. And in second is Inherent, Rita Ravensky now coming closer in third. Titanic now racing in fourth, Take Me Tonight. Red Soldier and Wilson as they come down to the last 150. Gardong Kaliwa, Inherent moving up, Rita Ravensky. Titanic moving up by Drell. Inherent, Rita Ravensky. Gardong Kaliwa, Titanic. Inherent takes the lead. Titanic, Rita Ravensky, Take Me Tonight. And finally it's going to be Take Me Tonight, Rita Ravensky, Titanic.
5-1-3-6.